Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Beadpark order unboxing. So if you are not already a subscriber, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you get notifications of when I upload new content. And then, like I said, this is an order from Beadpark. Let's see if I can get into it. They package it really well in a lot of bubble wrap. So that is awesome. That nothing gets damaged. I think. Okay, I think I can get everything now. Set everything over here. Get my packing slip. And then start with my order. The first thing that I ordered were these super cute Lollipop cabochons. Oh, they're so cute. They're kind of they're not really acrylic, they or resin. They're like almost clay, but they're like kind of soft. So here are some of the colors you get. Let me pull this one out. And they all have a little bow on them, as you can see. But super cute. And I can't wait to use those in some projects. Again, this is my order from Beadpark. Everything will be linked down below in the description. The next thing that I ordered were these cute, I wanted to get some bows and things for my project. So super cute bows. These feel like resin. And they have the polka dots on them. So super cute. They'll be great to pop on a project. You get kind of a darker pink, a light pink, blue. You get some yellow and some peach in there. And you get 20 pieces of the little polka dotted bows. You get 10 pieces of the lollipops. And then I ordered some sequins. And you get, I believe, 5 in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are super cute mix that has hearts, different styles of hearts. It has moons, it has flowers. And you get 5 packages of them. There's even some gray in there. So super cute. You don't even have to make your own mix. It's already there. So you get 5 packages in with that. So Sequin Mixed. And then I picked up these little, you get 1 box. And these are like flatbacks, little gems. Maybe. How they got them in there. There we go. But they are little flat back gems, little sequins, flat back. You could add them to a sequin mix or use them as standalone on your project. And I got dark blue, royal blue, and a turquoise blue, and then some light blue. So I picked up that. And then I got a mix, a 100-piece mix of all kinds of bows. You get teeny tiny bows, polka dot bows. You get bows that have little gems on them. You get felt bows. Super cute and super fun for different packages. You get glitter bows. Oh, these are awesome. So excited to have these. Super cute to pop on a package. And you get 100 bows in the package. All different sizes. So a really cute mix. And then I got these little fuzzy pompoms and I plan on using them on little dangles. Putting a little eye pin in them and have them hanging from your project on a little dangle. So you get gray, pink, orange, blue, red, and a mint green. And you get 20 pieces in the package. And then I got some of these lollipops. You get 10 pieces in the package. And they look like this. And I think you can probably even put a little eye pin in the top and hang them as a little dangle on your project. You get purple, red, yellow, orange, and pink, and blue. So those are super cute. And then I picked up this package of paper. You get one package, you get 3 packages, and it is just paper confetti. And it is gray, blue, and white, but I thought it'd be really cute to stick into a package or into a bag with some of your projects that you're sending out as Happy Mail. So I picked those up. And then I got another sequin mix. This one has none of the yellow in it. This one is just like pink and blue and a little bit of purple. And I believe you get 5 bags of it as well. It is hearts, stars, and moons. You get, 5 packages. So super cute sequin mix. And then I picked up some of this kind of pink iridescent sequin mix. This I want to add to some of my packages. You get 5 packages, and it is a pink, blush pink iridescent. So it's going to be so cute and it is hearts and stars So super cute. And that is my Beadpark order unboxing. I will link everything in the links below. And yeah, go over there because some of this stuff is absolutely amazing. I'm so glad with the mix of things that I bought this time. And so make sure you click the links and go over and check out Beadpark. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll be back again with another crafty planner video.